Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Boyd. Today we're going to talk about addition stories in math. Now before we get started, there are two important words we need to talk about. The first word is number. Think about that word for a minute. What does it mean to you? A number is the way we count things. It's how we know how many of something that we have. For example, if I held up a marker and I said, how many markers do I have? You could easily count 1. If I held up some pencils and I asked, how many pencils do I have? Again, you could count 1, 2, 3, and you would know the number is 3. We have 3 pencils. Well, today we're going to use numbers to tell addition stories, and that's where we add numbers together. Now, when we talk about that word add, another way to think about it is when we have 2 numbers and we join them together. Let's try that again. We have 2 numbers and we join them together. So let's take a look at some things I brought with me. Today, I have some sticks. Some of them are red and some of them are blue. I'm going to start with my blue sticks and I'm going to count to see how many sticks do I have. Well, in blue, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 blue sticks and I'm going to put them just right here. Now I'm going to count my red sticks. Count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 red sticks, 3 blue sticks. Now, here's where we come into the addition part, or adding. If I want to know how many sticks I have all together, we're going to count them all. Let's figure out how many blue and red sticks we have in all. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I can count that I have 9 sticks in all. I added the blue to the red. Let's try one more example. I have some counters here. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 red counters. Now let's count the white ones. I have 1, 2 white counters. Now, if I have 5 red ones and 2 white ones, I have to join them all together if I want to know how many counters I have in all. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I've counted, I know I have 7 in all. Well, today we're going to use that concept of adding or joining 2 numbers to tell some addition stories. I have a page right here for practice. And it says, 3 children are swinging. I see a picture right here of a playground. There's a slide here. There are swings here. So I'm going to just draw that with circles so that I can see it on my page. If 3 children are swinging, I'm just going to draw 3 circles over here to represent those children. Now it says, but 1 child is on the slide. So what am I going to do? I'm going to add 1 circle over here on the slide. 3 are swinging, 1 is on the slide. Now, if I want to know how many children are playing all together, think, what do I have to do? I need to join the 2 groups and add or count them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know there are 4 children playing all together. Good. Let's look at maybe 1 or 2 more examples. Here we go. Story number 2. Oh, if I can get my clipboard in there. There we go. There's a picture. Wonder what kind of story I could tell about this picture. There are 4 ducks in the pond. I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ducks are walking over here? Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 ducks in the pond, 4 ducks walking. How many ducks are there in all? How will I figure that out? You're right, we're going to count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I just told an addition story and figured out we have 8 ducks in all. All right, boys and girls, here's where it's your turn. You're going to go on to the next page of Seesaw, and you're going to tell your own story about the pictures and then count to figure out how many you have in all. Be sure to write your answer here on the line using your drawing tools on Seesaw. If you have any questions, have your adult get a hold of their teacher. Thanks, and I'll see you later. Bye.